heels, be it a pair of stilettos or wedgies. I simply love wearing heels. But one thing I hate about heels is how much pain they cause after wearing them for long hours. No matter if you are in an office, partying, or in a club, or with friends, or even attending a wedding, we need to remove them and walk bare feet. This has happened to me a zillion of times. Here are a few tips for painless feet that you can try at home. The famous warm water soap. No matter where you go, night out, clubbing, wedding, family function, or even a date with a guy, 20 minutes before you leave the house, soak your feet in warm water for 20 minutes or so. It relaxes your feet and releases any pre-existing stress or numbness. The other great trick is applying deodorant. Before you head out, spray those feet thoroughly with deodorant. This soaks up the moisture and avoids sweating. And the extra friction developed helps those awful blisters away. Now say goodbye to the band-aid on your pretty little feet. This is a special one. Listen carefully. All girls simply love those stilettos. But let's be honest, you can't survive a whole day in them and still be able to walk the next day. But why not switch over to block heels, which look great and feel amazing? They look equally chic and sexy. This is another very interesting trick for rubber soles. Since the time I have started wearing stilettos, I have always dread falling off and breaking my ankle and also getting embarrassed in public. One of the scariest things about wearing heels is slipping or even falling and even breaking your ankles. The best and simplest hack to this is using a sandpaper and scrubbing your bottom of your heels thoroughly before you wear them outside. This creates friction and grip and is much easier to stay on your feet. Alternatively, get a local cobbler to put a rubber sole onto your bottom of the shoes is also a very good idea. Don't forget to wear insoles. Insole is like a blessing in disguise. Ladies, do not underestimate the value of insoles. Although I must admit to you that most of my heels don't have insoles, but I make sure that the ones I wear regularly have insole in them because they're so helpful in avoiding long-term damage to your feet. I hope you find these tips really helpful. So go on girls, now you can party even harder without hurrying. I'd love to hear from you guys, so do keep writing into me. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet next, be natural. Bye!